traffic in the sky, and it doesn't seem to be getting much better. There's kids playing games on the pavement, drawing waves on the pavement. Shadows on the planes on the pavement. It's enough to make me sigh. That will seem like it'll make it feel better. Maybe it's a dream, and if I scream, it will burst at the seams. Whole place will fall into pieces, and then they'll say, Jack Johnson, Traffic in the Sky, off his second album, is a beautiful song. It's really simple. It's a great finger picking exercise. Download your chart, we're going to go through it. It's all bar chords. So it starts on the D major and on the 5th fret here, and your picking is thumb on the A string, B string, G string, D string, all on the 7th fret. You're going 3rd, 2nd, 1st finger like that. Come back to that bass note on the last note, slide that up to your F sharp on the 9th fret, and you're playing an F sharp minor 7. Then as you go down to the next chord, which is a C on the 3rd fret, he kind of lifts off and you hear the open strings between these two chords. That's absolutely fine. As long as you land on that chord on the right beat, it's going to sound fine. On this one, you don't necessarily go back to the bass note. And then you finish up on the E minor 7. Does that 4 times through, right? There's traffic in the sky, and it doesn't seem to be getting much better. There's kids playing games on the playground, blowing waves on the pavement. The shadows on the planes on the pavement. It's enough to make me sigh, but that don't seem like it'll make it feel better. Maybe it's a dream, and if I scream, it will burst at the seams. The whole place will fall into pieces. Do those notes on the last E minor 7, and then you grab where your 1st finger is. It's sitting across the 7th fret. Just grab the A and the D strings, and if you catch the G string as well, if you're playing with a pick, that's fine too, but you're hammering from that 7 on the A string up to 9. Do it twice. And then you land on the A for the chorus, right? So, right, so. And now we kind of strum through this part of the song. A flat or G sharp, G. How can we have known A? I tell them D, it's not so hard, B minor to tell. No, 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 repeat that. You keep adding stones, but soon the water will be lost in a well. As you go back to the verse, you hit that B, 2nd fret A string, and you slide up to start your chord progression on the D again. And that is the entire song. That sequence of chords repeats over and over and over again 3 times. It's a cracker of a song, but it's very, very simple. It's really good for your bar chords, because finger picking, new addition to the family, is probably going to make some noise in future videos, so you may as well meet him now. That's Bodie. Finger picking these chords really makes certain that you get these notes clearly enunciated or articulated. So it's a bit of work if you're not used to your bar chords, but it's well worth it. Simple finger picking pattern. Jack Johnson, how can you go wrong? Get into it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.